evening to our English friends. Magandang gabi po sa mga Pilipino nating kaibigan. Kung paano mga sa mga hapon, at where are you dito na me? #kilikmatch sa mga Facebook friends. Ako po si Miriam. Merriam-Webster, and I believe in the saying that A, you're adorable, B, you're so beautiful, and C, you're so cute and full of charm. Thank you!
Contestant number 2.
Hi, I'm Francesca H. Magalana, aka FHM, from the land of Aphrodite and Maria Mercedes, si Senor. And I believe in the saying that, what is beauty but me? Thank you!
Contestant number 3.
Hi, I'm Holly Biblay, from the land of Jerusalem, Judea, Samaria, and the ends of the earth. And I believe in the saying that, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, for whoever believes in Him will not perish, but have eternal life. Thank you!
Please welcome our host for tonight. Okay, ayan. Are you excited for our most romantic Valentine's show for this year? Ayan, dahil nakita natin ang ating mga candidates, let's now welcome our Mr. Searching. Walang iba, kundi ang pinaka-guwapo, pinaka-matangkad, at pinaka-crush ng bayan, none other than me. Okay, thank you guys. And now I'm excited to meet my searches. Let's meet contestant number 1. Ayan, contestant number 1, how are you feeling tonight?
Hi, I'm good, maayos, okay lang. Alright.
Ayan. Okay, so again, what's your name? Contestant number 1.
I'm Merriam-Webster.
Madam Nelson.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, may I ask our two searches to put on their headphones so that you cannot hear what she will say to me? Because it's so sweet. Okay, contestant number 1. What is your question for this night? But before your question, what is your talent for us?
Okay, I'm gonna recite the 1987 Philippine Constitution in Spanish and in reverse.
Wow, what an intellectual. Okay, let's go. Contestant number 1. Center stage is yours.
Okay. La Constitución de 1987 de Filipinas. Maestro, maestra, señor, señorita, ¿cómo estás? Lavabo, la mesa, tinidor, cucharita, escabeche, leche flan, lechón de la loma. Muy bien, delicioso!
Wow, that deserves a 1.0 for their grade.
Yeah.
Okay, so Miss Webster, this is your question for this night.
Okay.
Here's your question. What?
What? Pronoun is interrogatively requiring something to be identified. It can also be an exclamation of surprise, like what?
I'm sorry, contestant number 1, but that is not your question.
Okay.
Your question is, what is love?
Oh, you want to know the meaning of love?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Love. Noun, a powerful emotion felt for another person, manifesting itself through deep affection, adoration, or sexual desires. Synonym, affection, adoration, sexual desires.
Wow, that's
It's in the dictionary. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. But I don't think you're getting my question, no? So, what is love as a feeling for you?
Filling! Now, it is something that you put in between sandwiches. Examples are chocolate filling, mother filling, peanut butter filling. Ang sarap ng feeling ko.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I don't think... Sabihin ko, kailangan ko lang Tagalogin yung question para sa'yo.
Okay.
In Tagalog, ano ang love para sa'yo?
Para sa'yo, song by Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao, a boxer. Boxer, someone who looks like a box, like you, and most especially you.
Oh, I'm sorry, contestant number 1. Bakit hindi mo nga ba mabigay sa akin ang meaning ng love?
Because I am Merriam-Webster, I'm a dictionary, and I'm just a book. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 1. Ngayon, tawagin natin si contestant number 2. Oh my God. Hi, contestant number 2.
Hi.
How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Oh my God. Okay, do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now. How about you?
Of course, I don't feel any pressure.
How about
Oh, I'm sorry, but still, I'm still there. Oh my God. Okay, so let's go on for your talent for this evening. Okay, contestant number 2. Again, what's your name pala?
I'm Francesca H. Magalana, aka FHM.
Oh my God. Okay, Miss FHM, what is your talent for us this night?
I'm gonna pole dance slowly but surely. But wait, I'm gonna use this mic stand as my pole.
Oh my God. Okay, so then let's give it up for contestant number 2. Oh my God, wait, don't do that here. I'm so sorry, but your talent is not appropriated by MTRCB. So let's move on to our question for this night. Miss FHM. What is love?
Love? There's no such thing as love. There is only lust.
Last? Eh, paano naman yung pagmamahal ko sa mga pets ko? Pagmamahal ko sa lola ko? Pagmamahal ko sa kapus ko?
Wala nang love. Katawan lang ang habol nila sa isa't isa.
Katawan?
Oo.
Eh, paano naman yung love ko para sa food? Katawan ng may habol ko doon? Love mo ba yung para sa electric fan? Sa kung ano pa, sa pera, katawan ng may habol ko doon?
Alam mo, wala nga sinabing love. Ang meron lang, lust, lust, lust.
Eh, bakit ba hindi mo mabigay sa akin ang definition ng love?
Because I am FHM, I am a magazine, and I'm not even a book. Thank you!
Now, let's give up for contestant number 2. And last but not the least, contestant number 3. Hi, contestant number 3.
Hi, good evening. Good evening to everyone. God bless, God bless.
I think you have something to say for our audience.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to say hi to everyone. Hi, everyone.
So excited to have for this night, contestant number 3. Okay, so ano bang talent mo for us?
Oh, I'm gonna sing Jesus Love on top.
Oh, Jesus love on top. Okay, so DJ, are you okay with that? Okay, so let's give it out. Contestant number 3.
5, 6, 7. Jesus, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only thing I see. Come on, Jesus, it's you. The one that gives your heart. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top.
So why did you raise your hands like that?
Because it's all for Jesus on top.
Oh, it's for Jesus on top. Okay, so let's move on for our question. Okay? We contestant number 3. What is love? Contestant number 3. Thumbs up na. Contestant number 3.
Love is patient, love is kind.
Actually, nakikinig niya ako sa mga friends ko.
It does not envy,
Oh my God. Actually, hindi. Magaling naman ako.
it does not boast,
Next, magaling ako. Wako pa ako.
it is not proud,
Hindi, marami namamahal sa akin.
it is not self-seeking,
Alam mo, sasaktan na talaga kita.
it is not rude,
Alam mo, tanda mo itong araw na to. March 6,
it
2014.
does not keep a record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth.
Ay, bakit ba? Concern ka sa akin. At ang dami-dami kong alam.
Because love never fails.
Wow. Bakit ba? Alam mo yung definition ng love.
Actually, hindi lang yun. Well, must I say that love always protects, always hopes, always trusts, and always perseveres.
Wow. Alam mo, na-feel ko yung love dun sa answer. Feel ko concern ka sa akin.
Oo naman. Actually, hindi yan lang ang alam ko tungkol sa love. Marami pang iba. Tanungin mo kung bakit.
Bakit?
Because I am the Bible and I'm not just a book. Thank you!
Let's go for Kaya naman, let's take a very short break. And now we're